Hello everyone, welcome to Jeda AI YouTube channel. Today I'm going to dive into a very crucial topic that you need to know about. So this is about the MOAT analysis. Actually, MOAT analysis will impact the success and the longevity of the business. If you are looking to understand how to secure your competitive edge and ensure sustainable growth for your company, then you are in the right place. Before we get into why we use MOAT analysis, let's briefly understand what is that. The term MOAT was popularized by Warren Buffett and refers to a business's ability to maintain competitive advantages over its competitors to protect its long-term profits and market share. Essentially, a MOAT is like a protective barrier that keep competitors at the bay. Wait. Actually, I just forgot to say something. In this video, you will be able to see how to do the MOAT analysis by yourself using Jeda AI tool. Wait until that, okay? However, in summary, MOAT analysis is an invaluable tool for any businesses aiming for sustained success and the growth. By identifying and strengthening your competitive advantage, making strategic decisions, attracting investors, managing risk, and building long-term value, you can ensure that your company remains a dominant player in your industry. So if you haven't already, it's time to start analyzing your company using this MOAT analysis, MOAT. And I hope that it will definitely improve the power of the company's future and how it forwards. So let's try. And as I said, now I'm going to show you how you can do this MOAT analysis using Jeda AI. Let's get into the PC. First, you have to go to Jeda AI, then click on AI recipes and strategy planning. Then you can click on the MOAT analysis. Here you got some types of MOAT analysis, and here, regulatory MOAT analysis, intellectual property, and economies of value, economics of scale, high barrier, and monopoly MOAT analysis. And there are a lot of types you can choose. Here, you have to type for what. Just type web designing or whatever you got. Okay, maybe the product or service, and then you have to type for whom. So just type small business owners or whatever you got. Actually, you got on your mind. And here I'm going to click on this brand MOAT analysis, and then I'm not going to type goal or purpose, and I'm not going to type what are the key sources to analyze, but you can see there are some examples there. And I'm going to use the GPT-4o model, which is the new version of the ChatGPT, which is the new version of GPT. And now I have to click on this generate button to generate the MOAT analysis. Here, wait, wow. This is the MOAT analysis, brand MOAT analysis for web designing. Okay, market differentiation, customer loyalty, cost advantage, technological edge, and brand reputation. So this is marvelous, right? So keep reading these things and keep generating these things, then you will be able to get more results easily. And now I'm going to press another analysis. Here I'm going to select another type of analysis. Intellectual property MOAT analysis is better. Now I clicked on generate button. Here you can see the intellectual property MOAT analysis for web designing, and this analysis helps small business owners understand how to leverage intellectual property to create a competitive MOAT in the field of web designing. Guys, this is the tool that you can use for your MOAT analysis things, and let's try another one as soon as possible. Again, I'm going to go with AI menu, and here I need to select economic scale MOAT analysis. Click on generate button, and now you can see the economies of scale MOAT analysis of web design. Okay, now that's all for now, but you can experiment on all the analysis to enhance your company's abilities. And today go from this video and like this video, comment this video, and try all the things like I said before. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and comment please. I hope you will be able to see more insightful videos in the future, and let us know in the comments how you plan to use MOAT analysis for your company. Until next time, stay ahead of the competition. Bye. See you.